Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demo StockMock where you play with false money with real life stock data and learn how to invest. So as you can see, we're already at the login screen. Let's try and log in and we get an error that says sorry, looks like a user doesn't exist. So let's create a new account. Let me set a password. So I'm going to do a quick run through of our entire application. Uh, First, we have a profile where you can see your personal balance, and currently we don't own any shares. So in this demo, we'll go through how to buy a share, how to sell a share, and see our history. Currently, our history is empty. That means that's because we've not done any transfers yet. So let's go ahead and do a transfer. Let me put a company in such as say Microsoft. So sometimes it takes time for the data to load as we pull live data into our application. So this is the live value of the Microsoft share in the market right now. So currently, as we can see, a share of Microsoft is $77.86. This is a graph that goes through the entire day and shows you Microsoft's fluctuations. So let's buy a share. Currently, we have $10,000. So if we buy 10 shares of Microsoft costs us 700, close to 800. So we have that much money. Nice find. You successfully bought 10 shares of Microsoft. So if we go back to our profile, we see that our balance is reduced and we have 10 shares of Microsoft. Let's go ahead and buy another company, say Tesla. Cost per share is $351. We have enough money, so let's go ahead and buy 20 shares of Tesla. Perfect. So if we go back to profile, we should get both Tesla and Microsoft, which we have here, and our balance is reduced to 2000K. So let's go to history to see. Okay, so we get Tesla market buy 20 shares at 7K and Microsoft buy. Currently we have zero dividends because not uh, we've not held the shares for a long time, and the trading shows that we've just bought it and not sold it yet. Let's go ahead and sell one of these shares and see what happens. Let me click on Microsoft. Let's enter say 20 shares of Microsoft. Now I know that we have 10 shares, so this shouldn't go through. And whoops, we got an error. Says that we only own 10 shares, so we can only sell that many shares. So let's sell 10 shares of Microsoft. Well, that was successful. So if you go back to profile, we should lose Microsoft now. Perfect. Um, and we also see that the money got added to our balance. Let's explore the other tabs in our application. We have glossary, which goes through the daily terms that we come across in the stock market, and it tells us what the term is and the description, a brief description about that term. We also have other tabs such as banking, settings, and account. So what banking does is it allows you to transfer funds to our application, which is StockMock, and also from our application to our bank. So let's see, we have $2,900 right now. So if we transfer funds from bank to StockMock, say $100, then our balance should go to about 3K. So yes, I'm sure. There we go. So our funds were successfully transferred and we now have 3K. Let's go back to our original amount by withdrawing $100 from our application. So as we can see, things worked out well and we are now back to the money we had originally. So we have some tips over here of how to link your bank account to our application, a short video of a famous app that people use, and it shows a demo of how to do it on there. We have the settings tab that shows tax documents. So after a year, you probably want to sell. If you've sold any shares, then you want to do your taxes, and so we give you a sample document of how the tax document is going to be after that year. So if you click on it, another tab opens up with the entire document. So this is a basic run through of our entire application. There's other account features such as change password and delete account and log out. Let me just show you log out and let us log back in. So that went through. We have the same balance. And now if we go to say, so if you go to history, now we see that we got a dividend for holding Tesla share, which we didn't have before. And one of the last features is delete account. And perfect. So that's the entire functionality of our application. Thank you. We look forward to see you investing. Good luck.